Unit 4. Let's recite this poem. Rain. The rain is raining all around. It falls on field and tree. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. Robert Louis Stevenson. New words. Field, umbrellas, ships. Reading is fun. Where does the rain fall? What do people use when it rains? Let's talk. What do you do on a rainy day? How do you keep yourself dry in the rain? Do you like to play in water? Say what things live in water. Let's listen. Have you heard the sound of a rainfall? What sound does the rain make on umbrellas? What sound does the rain make on the leaves on the trees? What sound does the rain make on your window? Make this sound yourself. Dine answer the liu da unit la liu nalo la answer ni chapters la nari lesson la nari di yochara lopsen yara. Liu shibad nala answer lopsen thangpo di rain da poem de ra. Let's recite this poem ra. Answer nyenga di kyo was da. The rain is raining all around. Chawa di ani kha khasala Geidu letra chawa gyabadla raining lera all around khasal geidu letra khoche. It falls on field and tree. And the khariganla phabgidulanda tandadla chawalla ne lingu meche phawalla kura rainfall letsa. Shingada shingdon disgala phabgidus. It rains on the umbrellas here and on the ships at sea. And the in chawa di khawala ge tanda rains le di chazi chatira. And call gate lana ngana si khara nidu laure chada laure chadu gan la phabgi tu sradela ani cho nalola ani chok likhasadi truzinga la ke tu sra chawa dene new words nal si tadi nyanga thundong chi chera sisar dinala field ra field la zamba shinga da dane shinga chi bo member che thang tin di tongbar chibu ru yo dile field la chora dene umbrellas Rani do leire chadu leirans. Dene ships. Lana truzin sra. Dene reading is fun. Ta loya di to yores. Ta zo ganji lo sarwa. Lo zel cha ane keji she zel te an nye zel sumdi. Keji muru chatira ane jela tiye sumdi shidi. So ganzo yeda man thanda ganzo thama loya do zel te jangde raundi. Keshe da nye da dindi shirak kogodira mara. So, where does the rain fall? Kawala chawa bhabgires. The rain falls on the field and tree. What do people use when it rains? Chawa gyadu midzu kari pyujichigires. So, people use umbrellas when it rains. People use umbrellas when it rains. Let's talk. Takejishi was, what do you do on a rainy day? Kiran in chardu kapsra ta chawa kaptla rainy dang rain koran la sigma bo picheda. Rainy la ing gyana rainy la chawa gyashima. Nya chi rain la sambala ya chawa gyash gyaba da ya cha minsi koran la kora chawa la kora. Ta tanda rainy la de ko adjective ra chardu kapsla le yang zu da mas chawa gya kaps. Chardu gi Nimodilla, the chawa gave Nimodilla Natula. The niggas karchi yes. So, what do you do on a rainy day? I sleep on a rainy day. The Dilana daughter marching on the Dosra. Rachelona Dre Marchawa gets some now. I read on a rainy day. Logus chawa gagas. I stay home on a rainy day. Kalandura. The negotiation I rest and chawaj pichi. Kazando de timba, simple present timba. Grammar la. To gain the chishi bachkish or radilla. So what do you do last? Ta ngan ti ri chiwa sama khare de thugyun ki shi ke tra de dress let pi chi da de la nyun si pi chi da. Then how do you keep yourself dry in the rain? Kira kana countries and kambunya ri yes maran le ma sha tra. Ni I keep myself dry in the rain by umbrella. Ra karigi nga kambush nyargela na umbrella chi yes ra. Then the roach pitch net ra. Then I keep myself dry in the rain by umbrella. Do you like to play in water? Yes, I like to play in water. No, I don't like to play in water. Then say what things live in water. And in love shows, chunala kar deor la shows. And kare then chishandora. Fish, and karsa the whale, and then bambuji sumshi katio and the current frog, the beva chunadira frog. Leaf laura leaves meche kolana ganzgang mambula sarwa so leaf in water gangla khari di mi samachi thodera koma gyap thamadla and gyap and she thamadichi leaf in water la chera then let's listen tang nye was rather this city to ni kirang zulamindo. Have you heard the sound of rainfall? Kirani rainfall chawa gyap you dadi konyu yobes. Yes, I have heard the sound of rainfall. Then what sound does the rain make on umbrella? Ta hare nidu ganla nari chadu ganla chawagi da khari sugures ra. Then what sound does the rain makes on the leaves of the trees? Shinongang lomad ganla chawagi da khari sugures. What sound does the rain make on your window? Kira giungala ani ni chawagi da khari sugures. Make this sound by yourself. Make these sounds yourself. Kira socials dadi pechishna giungala chawagi da khandere koro do imbachira. Dene ya chawagi khaza di loma ganla da khandere na khaza to indojila dadi is the sage bush.